Hello everyone, this video is to acknowledge the students that had my class for Core 1 throughout their 8th grade year at Bridgetown Middle School. Hayden McRache, Savannah Apted, Kaylin Bailey, CC Blamer, Frank Bosch, Anna Campbell, Haley Camper, Ava Campo, Lexi Capel, Brianna Kahn, Mackenzie Hargis, Isabel Hasty, Emma Highlander, Braden Holland, Alexis Lackey, Parker LaGreca, Morgan Lent, Ethan Lowe, Ty Myerke, Rain Magrum, Addie McDonald, Grace McMichael, Savannah McMichael, Mia Musillo, Ethan Overholtz, Sam Perry, Layla Savaggio, Hunter Schaus, Tanner Smith, Cameron Saboris, Jaden Turner, RJ Ulrich, Ellie Wentz, and Emma Weil. It has been a pleasure to have you in my Core 1 throughout this school year, and I wish you all the best of luck in the high school. Stop back and visit us sometime.